Good evening, everybody. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas in arrears. Happy New Year. I greet you all. I remain your friend, Samuel Okoyocha from Biafra in West Africa. First of all, let me apologize to those that I kept waiting. Yeah, I know I kept many people waiting. My laptop crashed towards the end of the year. When I was preparing to go to village for Christmas and New Year celebration, my laptop crashed, so I can't fix it till today. Okay, many people message me and they are requesting for my analysis for the beginning of the year. So I bring it to you now. Then remember, I said that I will increase my coaching fee. I will increase it, but for now, I want to leave it till end of this month. So you can still join my premium group, my students with $500 for the full course. Remember, in my full course, excuse me, I don't rush you to learn everything in 3 months or 6 months or 1 year. For now, I know there are many people differ. Some can learn very fast, some can learn slowly. So I leave it for at least 2 years so that you'll be able to learn properly. Okay, so you have to end of this month to join with $500. But by the end of this January, I will increase it maybe $750 or $1,000. Okay, so now I want to bring you currency analysis. If I still have strength, I will do cryptos. But now you can see now is what's the time now? Now is 10:30 p.m. In order to 2:30 GMT plus 1. So it's midnight already. So let me start. This is DXY dollar index. There's nothing new on other index. You know, if you watch my previous videos, I will always tell you between 95, between 96, 96.5, 97, or even 98. So it will likely go to 97.5 or even 98. So for now, let us focus on when to buy on a lower time frame. So let's go down to 4 hours. 4 hours, as you can see, this is wave 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make it wave 3. Yes, 3. Okay, yeah. So that's make it wave 3. Then all this move here is wave 4. You know, correction can be anyhow. Correction can behave anyhow. So it doesn't. It's no longer new to me. When correction is doing what I don't expect, that's why it's called correction. So this is a corrective pattern and it's wave 4. Now, what I don't know yet is that whether the wave 4 has ended here or if it will drop furthermore. But I think it has ended here. So here is likely wave 1, A, B, C, wave 2. Then wave 5 will likely move in 5 waves. So I don't want to label it now, but I think this is 1, A, B, C, 2. Then we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So DSY we buy once more after the next buy. Let me check 1 hour. After the next buy, that's when we begin to look for selling, and the selling will be massive when it starts. We're gonna sell down to 88 or even 84. So just as I said on 4 hours, you can see when you have the knowledge, when you have the knowledge, you can look at charts and say what is happening there. You know, I haven't got the one out, but you can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what I saw on 4 hours. Okay, so now this is the typical of A, B, C. So you know, this 5 waves is 1, then this ABC is 2. So if you're buying DSY, stop loss will be here. So I don't think we are getting any lower than this. I don't think it's going to happen. So this is 1, ABC, 2. Then you get 5 waves from here. So is an opportunity to buy. The worst thing that will happen in this pair is this. Because of this very sharp drop, you will get a move like this. Then like this before the move starts. I mean continues. So this may happen or may not happen. Okay, so I focus more on 4 hours. On my today's analysis, I focus more on 4 hours because of time, and there are many charts to analyze. Okay, so USD, let's move. USD. USD and this white is the same thing, just opposite. Opposite is the only thing. So we are expecting a drop, maybe to 1.1, 0.5 or 1.1 or even below. So you go down to 4 hours to see what we are expecting. Okay. 4H. Okay, now you can see another 1, 2, 3, then 4. 5, we are looking for 5. Internal wave again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's very simple to understand. Sorry, of course, to understand for those who have learned how to read their charts. Very simple to follow. Let me use follow. So once this level is broken, then sell. And of course, I wait for this to break before I sell. I will sell around here. By tomorrow, I will sell around here because I know we are not going to get another deeper than this. Okay, so now I will go to 1 hour now. So let's move because I want to be fast a bit. JPY. Today I will show you daily candles in all the pairs I want to analyze because this is the first chart of the year. Okay, DSY expect a deep correction to the end of the blue balls. Okay, now when the market was here, that's when I made this assumption. So you can see we have an A, B, C. So from here we are getting 5 waves. Let's go to 4 hours. So the correction is over. That's what I mean. What you saw there is correction. Let me show you once more. This is impulse. This is correction, and it has ended. If it will make a double correction, then it is too early to say that. For now, the correction is over. So 4 hours now suggest that this is wave 1, A, B, C, wave 2, then wave 3. This is like wave 4, A, B, C. If this is not wave 4, then maybe the market can do double correction. So hope we know that you may get a move like this, then another move like this. It's become double correction. So if market moves from here and begin to go sideways, expect a double correction, something like this. If not, you may get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from here. So, but too early to say. One thing is important. We have gone to a reversal point, and it seems to have reversed. Okay, let's see 1 hour to know if it has really reversed. So this is ABC. Then the market seems to be going out of this level, but we may get another move. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because sometimes wave C, we make 5 waves, but not always. It can be an A, B, C. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for now, let's leave it this place. Okay. Euro GBP. This pair. Always avoid this pair. If you want to trade Euro GBP, always use smaller size, because this pair can the way it moves is always strange. Okay, but now this this move is an impulse. So every trader we expect a kind of A, maybe B, C before selling. But you can see it keeps going down. Anyway, that's not the problem. Let me go to forward to show you what to do if we are selling it, trading it. So what we will do if you sold this pair, maybe you need to take your profits, because you might get a correction from here. You might get a correction. So you may see this type of move. A, B, C. Then we will know whether it will still go down again or it will go up. I don't know for now, but this is what I expect. A move like this for now. So this very move now. So let's leave it. Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Let's check daily chart. Okay, there's nothing much on daily charts. We are expecting the price to give us a big A, B, C. So I haven't changed anything on this. I'm still expecting it to go up somewhere here. Okay, so let's say 4 hours. So as I was saying, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's something discount is not a valid count based on Elliott Wave. But you know, my own count, I called my lesson advanced method of Elliott Wave analysis. You know, some calculations on Elliott Wave have been outdated. You know, I cannot dwell on what unquote, I don't know the way unquote was written 100 years ago. Okay, in the Elliott Wave, wave 4 cannot encroach wave 1, but you can see this is wave 1 and this is wave 4. You know, for now, to me, I want to count it as wave 1, 4, because I don't want to fix anything. This is 3 waves drop. So wave 4 does supposed to enter this level. But you know, as I said, I'm a trade advanced method. If you join my class, you will learn more. You will learn when the market does something apart from what is written in 1930. R.N. Elliott wrote the book and based on what was happening there. Now there are changes, so it would remain like that forever. So don't mind me if you see something like this that seems to be odd. So for now, I'm expecting an ABC, then a move up. So it simply means that if you are trading Euro AUD, stop loss will be here. Simple. Then buying is what I expect to continue. Okay, so having said that, let's move. Euro New Zealand. Okay. New Zealand does nothing new or nothing much. In my last analysis, I said that we expect the market to turn from here and go up, and it has happened. So now, what do we expect? Are we getting a new low from here or not? Too early to say. Let's go to 4 hours and check what we have. Okay. Oh, okay. Now, for now, I have no reason to sell this pair. Rather, it seems to be a buy. But for now, I want to focus on other pairs and leave it for now. Because the reason is that if it is a zigzag, I have more confidence on zigzag than flat corrections. Okay, so let me leave Euro New Zealand for now. Euro CHF. Euro CHF, let me go to daily. Last year, in my last analysis, I said that we are going to, that the current move will surely, if it doesn't end in the blue box, it will go deeper. So that's why you always see this blue and red box. The market go a bit deeper than that. Now it has broken, and the move is very strong, very, very strong. So how do you join trading this? It's very, very strong. And this is a typical of wave 1, 2, 3. So wait for something like this. Something like this. Wait for something like this to happen. Then you join. So if we can get an A, B, C, then it's time to buy. Okay, let me remove this. So Euro CHF is one of the pairs that you will trade because based on daily is strong, based on 4 hours is strong. I don't want to go to 1 hour or 2 hours because of time. Euro CAD. Okay, look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 waves. A, B, C, W, X, Y. So expect at least a move towards this upper line. But hopefully we get this maybe before March ends or before this month ends, we may get this. You know, impulse wave is always sharp. So if we break this, this can happen in 2 weeks or 1 month. But now let's go to 4 hours. On 4 hours, you can see we have a channel that will be broken soon. Okay, let me even check 2 hours. Euro cards. This is another pair I'm recommending for trade. Stop loss will be here. Oh. Stop loss will be here. To me, this is correct. This is end of the correction. So a little pullback, the buying will be massive. Once it broke this level, the buying will be massive. So another pair to trade. USD card. USD card. Let me go to daily again. It turned where we said it will turn at the blue box. And now, is this a running flat? Or is this? Okay, let me go to 4 hours to see it, to get more data. Okay, 4 hours suggested that we are getting an A, B, C. So now, because of this wave C is short, it may come back to make a new low. But for now, if you are trading this pair, what do we do? This is an ABC. Not a must that C will be equal to A, not a must. Sometimes C will be 61.8% of with A. It happens sometimes. So not a must, it must be equal. So for this reason, okay, let me get to 1 hour. Okay, now, in 1 hour, you can count 5 waves. Okay, you can count it. So the one is too tall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is a complete structure. That doesn't mean that it's going to go down again. So now to trade this, here will be a stop loss. And the market is still near to stop loss. So entering now is a good time to enter. Stop loss will be few pips from here. So if it goes as expected, maybe it will drop like this and begin to go. And it will be a very nice trade. Okay, for those who would like to trade it. Okay, that's all for USD card. Here's JPY. Okay. Is gradually coming to an end of the bullish move. Gradually, it's coming to an end of the bullish move. So maybe we get one move up. Then once share is broken, expect it to drop to this level. But for now, let's focus on how to trade the current move. Okay. We can see 3 waves drop, and it has touched the blue box and the channel. So the market is buying and nothing more. Even if it will make double correction, by the time it begins to make double correction, you move your stop loss to break even. So let me go down to 2 hours. 101. So yeah, nothing much. This is an ABC. A, B, C, B, C. You see the channel, it broke the channel and it went back to the channel again. So this is another trade I'm recommending. Stop loss here. Tight stop loss. Okay. Based on this channel, buying it from here is a good trade. If you lose, you lose the very little money. Okay. Here is a reversal zone. This place is a reversal zone. If you are trading long-term trade, maybe your stop loss will be below this red box, because the market can move like this, come back here. But if it moves up here, you adjust your stop loss to be on the safe side. So it's a trade for those who are trading. Maybe you open in the morning, close in the night, or after some hours, or a day or 2 days trading. USD CHF. USD CHF. Okay. I said I'm expecting this drop. Will it happen? I don't know. Anyway, let's go to 4 hours. Okay. Okay, now this is what we expect. 5 waves move has happened already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 1. You know, I don't know, I can't label everything. Here is wave 1, then wave 2, then wave 3. Wave 4 will happen here, then 5, somewhere there. Okay, so well, this is I don't label it is that this wave 5 might see go up. The wave 5 can still go up. That's why I don't want to label it. Because if I label it, it may confuse some people. The wave 5, okay, let me go down to 1 hour. Let me go down to 1 hour to see it. Okay. This is 1. This is 2. Then inside this, then 3 will be here, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm expecting an ABC. If it happens, I will buy from here. That's what I want to do. I'm not in the trade, but if I get this, I'll buy from here. Then stop loss will be here. Okay. Let's continue. USD ZAR. Last time I made some analysis. I said we are getting to this level. You can see the blue box. The market turned from the blue box and it's going down. Now, is this A, B, C, or will it drop further? Let's check 4 hours. Okay, this 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, or W, X, Y, N1. Then we're 4. Okay, now this can be with 1 of 5. This can be with 1, with 2, then continue. So let me see 1 hour also. Okay, now if market does not go below this place, it means this is with 1. So expect an A, B, C. So if I get ABC, or if you see ABC and you trade the USD ZAR, you can buy from here. Here stop loss, because to me this is a big A, B, C, and this is with 1. So that's all for USD ZAR. New Zealand USD. Okay, New Zealand USD. Remember last time I opened this, I showed you that you are getting WXYXZ. So, but now the problem is the FZ, have it completed here? Or will it drop again? For me, I think it will drop once more to this level. But that's forecast. Okay. Something may happen, you see the price going up. So I won't be surprised if the price begins to go up from here. But I think we're gonna get A, B, C. Okay, so let's take 4 hours also. So you can see 4 hours has given us more data. 4 hours are giving us more data, and with it we have more clue of what to expect. You can see this can be with 1. Then this is A, B, C. So to be sure of that, if the price breaks this channel properly, something like this, then we can now assume this is wave 1, this is wave 2, then 3, 4, 5. Or maybe A, B, C. Let me call it A, B, C. If the price breaks this channel, it means this is A, B, C. And for that, expect another drop, maybe even lower than the trend line. But for now, let's focus to know how market reacts within this channel. AUD USD. AUD USD. Last time I brought this reversal zone and it reversed from there. So what next? You know, this is WXY. So if, of course, we are expecting Y to be much lower. Okay, so let's see 4 hours anyway, because Daily is for a long time trading. Now, this is where we have work to do. Are we getting, with the market to move from here? We need to move from here to here. Or we need to do this and drop. Okay, to be on the safe side, the market has broken a channel, but it seems it's going back to the channel again. So to trade this, to trade AUD USD, go to 1 hour. 1 hour have solved the problem we are having. Okay. Now, two things is involved. Having seen the 1 hour, one is you may get this as an A, B, C. That is this very drop. Okay, I like my chart to be neat. So putting everything every time the chart will look so dirty. So that's why I don't put all these things all the time. Okay, so now one thing is why I made this is that this drop may make an A, B, C correction. Okay, let me remove this. You may get something like this. Oh. So you may get something like this. A, B, C before this drop. Why am I saying you this? There's trend line is for us to watch the market. Not that market must turn at the trend line. No, not a must. Market must not turn at the trend line. So ignore the trend line I draw. I draw it for a reason. Okay, so one scenario is that we will get an ABC. Let me put ABC there. A, B, C. Second one is that the channel is broken. The market went above it and broke it a second time. Second scenario is that we will get a drop from here. So that's the thing. Either we get this, if we get a sharp move down, forget about this one. But if it keeps going up, then this will work, this will be deleted. So how do you handle it? The best way to handle it is that to place sell stop here, stop loss here. If I say stop triggers and the market is moving slowly, close it because it may sit on back and come here. Take it again. If you press a sell stop and it triggers and the market is moving slowly, it doesn't drop like this. Then close this because it might still go up to this place. So I would like to see this one. Then I will sell from here. Okay, now let's go to gold. In gold, we have so many options on gold, so many of them. One is big triangle, A, B, C, D, E. Maybe here, market goes up. Or another triangle, A, B, C, D, E. Market goes down. Okay, so, but my main focus is that these two lines is where my focus is. Are we trying to drop to this level and grow? Okay, 4 hours. So why am I saying all this? That if you are trading gold, you need to be careful because the price movement is so complex this time around. If you are buying or selling and you are in profit, adjust your stop loss to break even. Better you make little profit than loss. Okay, so why all this line, you may ask? This is channel. So now the market can make this A, B, C and go up. Or if you continue with the bigger trend, come to this place, come down to this place. So let's focus on how market will react at this level. For that, let me show you 1 hour. Let's focus on what will happen at this reversal zone. From here to here is an impulse. So we expect reversal from here. Or let me use the other pattern. A, B, C. Okay, they fall the same area. So let me leave this one. So watch what happens here. If there is a rejection or a reversal pattern from here, then you sell and target this level, 1774 level. Okay, so that's my idea on gold. Silver is much more easier to trade now than gold. Let's go to daily on silver. Silver looks simple to me than gold. Okay, so you can see this drop, this move. It reversed at my reversal zone and dropped again. So now, what is the next? And you know, last time I said daily time frame potential reversal zone. That's the meaning of this P1, TF, PRZ. And here it turned and reversed. Now it's coming down again. Are we getting this? You see that coming to 19.8, too early to sell. For this reason, let's see 4 hours. I don't think I about it too much. Okay, now this is 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is A, B, C. And to me, it seems to be a double zigzag because this is a zigzag. And this drop, A, B, C again, seems to have ended in the reversal zone. So I believe we are getting W, X, Y. So if I am correct, the price will keep going up until it will give us something like this, maybe 23.9 or even 24, or at least anything above this level. Okay, so can I do you go to 1 hour? Let's check 1 hour. 1 hour, you can see how the market is reacted in this reversal zone. Okay. So to me, I don't see anything to sell silver rather than buy. Pounds JPY. Pounds JPY. Let's go to Delhi again. Pounds JPY. If you're following my analysis, you would have made a lot of money from this trade. You see the reversal zone, you see this arrow that goes up. It happened exactly as I said it will. So it's a very nice trade, but the buying is not yet over. Let's take 4 hours to see how to join the trade again. So now, this is what you remember this very well. I said a proper break of this line confirms the buy, and it broke it from here, returned, which is wave 1, wave 2, and all this trade is a very big money. So now, what next? I expect the market to at least touch at 8.2 before going up again. So all this place is wave 4 zone. It can run to. Okay, now this is wave 4. Let me remove 0.8. 0.8 is not always, hardly does wave 4 to 0.8. So let's focus on 50. So I'm expecting it to drop to this level. Maybe in a complex manner. I don't know. It may do double zigzag. For instance, it may do something like A, B, C. It becomes W. Then it make A, B, C again. Make another A, B, C. Then this becomes X. This becomes Y. So for now, I don't know how it will happen, but I'm expecting the price to drop to this very range. That's what I'm expecting. How it will happen, I don't know. Okay. Pounds USD. Let's see daily again. Okay, similar thing happened again. It reversed at our blue box and move very nicely. Okay, now what do we expect? A break of this channel? Yes. Right now, not likely. For that, let's go to 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours has given us another 1, 2, 3. So I'm expecting ABC again. So reversal maybe here or deeper to this level. But for now, even if the price keeps moving up and break this level, it's still wave 3. Wave 3 can still go up. Why am I showing you this? You don't enter, you don't buy now. If you didn't buy when the market made this wave 2, or when it broke the previous high, buying now is late. Wait for let it give us a correction before we buy. So that is it. Pounds CHF. Let's see daily again. Similar to pounds USD. It turned at our reversal zone, but it went deeper into the zone. You can see it's going to the red zone. But you know, the essence of the reversal zone is that for you to know that if you are buying, stop loss will be below this zone. So even if you bought it from here, it's still a good trade. Remember, last time I made analysis, the market was here. And I said possibility of a bigger drop towards the lower trend line, which is this. It even came to the trend line and broke it, but came back into it and now going up. So this one, let me remove it. It has served its purpose. This one again started here instead of here. It started here. So this is what we are looking at now. Maybe I remove it again. So now, how do we join the trade? To join the trade, let's see 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours again. We are seeing 1, 2, 3. Then we are looking. When we get 4, we buy. So I don't want to go to myself. We have 3 can still come to this level or anywhere. But know that after we have 3, we are looking for correction before we buy. So now, I think I have tried this night. Okay, pounds card. Let me check pounds card. Pounds card. Similar thing to other pounds I have checked. Also reversed almost at the trend line. Now going up. Let's see 4 hours to know if you are gonna buy it now, not. Okay, now 2 things is involved here. 1, this is a running flat, that is A, B, C. If that is correct, the market will continue to go up from here. I'll go to 4 hours. I'll go to 1 hour to show you why I said it's likely to be a running flat. Then it can come to be an expanding flat. Okay, let me. Running flat is when A is here, B close above the beginning of wave A, then C close before the end of wave A. Now, in the case of expanding flats, A will be here as well. B will be here as well. B will be above the start of point of wave A. And the C will close below the end of wave A. So, and sometimes you won't know what you will get in correction. So that's why I am preparing for any of it to happen, either this or this. So for now, let me go to 1 hour. 1 hour might help us a lot in this complex pattern. So now 1 hour, you can see that this move is sharp. Why is this 1 hour helpful? One reason, this move is sharp. Even if we are getting expanded flat, we will likely get 3 waves move before the dropping. So if you want to trade pounds card, I would advise you, if you see a corrective move, then if you buy, you watch what's up. Okay, now let me, no, it's too early to do that. So, but let me show you something about all this. Why I put all this box. Okay, the drop is much. It goes even below 61.8. You see? So now, what about this? Where do you think it will? Oh, where do you think it will end? You see, we might not get something above here before the dropping. So even if it will be an expanding flat, we will get some kind of corrective move in this area, then it will drop. But if the price keeps moving very fast, if it keeps moving very fast, something very fast, then it will be a running flat. That's based on the 4-hour chart. You saw, I show you before this 1-hour chart. Okay, I'll come to the end of this video. I will stop here so that I'll be able to analyze some cryptos. Oh, there's something I remember. Oh, oil. Okay, US oil. Oh, I'm just tired. US oil. I'll still go to daily chart. Don't worry what I'm doing here. I'll still go to daily chart. But I want to show you that it's reversed at the though it went so deep, but here is the reversal zone. So why I'm showing you this, that in my opinion, US oil is still a sell market. The selling is not yet over. So that's why I'm showing you this. This have been invalidated. What next? This, I said it reverse where I forecast it reverse. Then this move is much. Okay, now I remember this line. I said once we broke this level, it's confirmed that we are getting to higher. Now let me remove this. No longer needed. Now the question is, what next on this very pair? What next? Simple. This is a reversal zone, and to me, it have reversed. So not yet confirmed. But let us I don't want to go down to 1 hour, but I may go down to 1 hour. Now, the selling has started. But to be on the safe side, let me go down to 1 hour. Let's see. Okay. Selling have started. But if you are too conservative, what you will do is wait for the price to break this level before you sell. But to me, once I see a reversal in a reversal zone, I'll just begin to trade. And because I've seen a reversal, for me to trade this, here will be stop loss. Or if you're here, let me not. Here will be stop loss. And the market is expected to drop heavily. I expect a heavy drop. I expect a heavy drop on oil. Okay, let's go back to daily. That's what I want to check on daily. Okay, that's what I did. Forecast I made an assumption. Okay, this is what I forecasted will happen. Okay, so maybe it's time it will begin to happen. Don't know, but for now, it is expected that okay. Now let me remove this to make this chart better. Okay, so this is what I expect on oil. So the forecast I made offhand is where it will actually fall. Okay, this one should go. So expect oil to drop to 57, 52.4, or even 44, 43, 44. So now, if you are a long time trader, simple. This is what we will do. Sell oil, stop loss here. Simple. No need of wasting time. If you are a long time, that is, if you can enter a trade and leave it to run for 2 weeks, 1 month, enter, sell oil now, stop loss will be here. Simple. Okay. Okay, so because of one person, let me go down to hey, platinum. Wow, what a heavy drop. BTC. Platinum, there's one person that traded platinum. Let me check to know what's happening in platinum. Okay, let me go to 4 hours direct. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let me remove all these. Platinum have came to reversal zone and reversed. As I forecasted it will do. It reversed at the reversal zone. I said platinum will likely come to, we trade above 1,000 and it came to 1,000 and reversed. So now this is what, this is my forecast, my analysis on platinum. I remove this, I don't need it anymore. And this as well. Okay, on platinum, one, two, three, 4, 5. This is what I see. I think will happen on platinum. This is wave 1. Let me use Fibonacci. Wave 1. Okay, in Elliott Wave analysis, wave 2 can go as low as 8.3 of 8.6 of wave 1. So all these places are the reversal zone for platinum. So now, what do we expect from platinum? This is a reversal candle for those who trade candlestick. This is a reversal candle. So to me, this is wave 1 on platinum. Then this is wave 2. Now you get wave 3. And after that, you get wave 4. Then 5, somewhere up. Okay, what next? What next is this? What next is that we know wave 3 is always 161 of wave 4 at least. So I will leave it like this. Expect 1,118 and above on platinum, unless something happened and price goes very fast below this level. As long as here remains the stop loss, as far as here remains, we will see 1,120 and above on platinum. So that is what I can say on platinum. Let me save the chart because I will not have time to show this lady again. It's always on my net. Just to save it also. Yeah. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Tomorrow, I will try to do cryptos tomorrow if I have time. If not, it will be during the weekend. Okay, thank you for watching. If I didn't cover the pay you trade, please bear with me. I can't cover all the pays. So thank you for watching. God bless you.